We're here to deliver a petition. Yes. We are here to deliver the petition. La public service now. This corner. This corner. Yeah. Yes. We are here to deliver the petition inside the Minister of Public Service. This corner. I see the Moses. We are here to deliver the petition. Was a match call. No, Wednesday, every Wednesday we're here. Simple. Yeah. We're here to deliver the petition peacefully. Yes. Oh,
petition,
who's the
petition delivered to the Prime Minister by the public sector.
Now, petition was the Mashe says that we deliver a public service as PSUs. Peacefully so.
Prime Minister by the public sector unions. Background of the matter. Civil servant by nature, they provide service to the people of Swaziland. Despite the challenge they are facing on the ground, the 45,000 men and women have been doing the job since time immemorial with the little salary.
No, why be petition? Can you spot me for what? Can you spot me for say? Can you spot me for say? Masala Masha, we are live here at the public service. Nanga Mapoisa, they're here to disturb us here as we deliver the petition. We are peacefully delivering the petition, and the police are disturbing us. We are peacefully delivering the petition here at the public service as public sector workers. No, there's no need to fight. There is no need to fight. No. There is no need to fight. No need to fight. No need to fight. I know need. No need to fight. They are already been handling their sheet. They are already been handling. No. They are men now. I'm now. They already been handling their shit now. There is no need to fight. No need to manhandle us. There is no need. Peacefully delivering the petition. Manda! Viva! Viva! Manda! Pabele! Nang mapoisa nanga. They already handling their shit. Now mapoisa. No. We are peacefully delivering the petition. Peacefully so. Here at the public service. Good, let's go down. No. Spera better fuka lo munya mapoisa. Ningas fuki la. Yegeleshi now ngasbabi na we baba. Ningasbabi yegeleshi baba. Yegeleshi. Ngeke push ka jela mina bayin. Yeba. One foot kimi baba bayin. Ngas push ile bayin. Siyathambela mangabe siyathambela. Don't push us never in. Ningasifudi sikhulumiseni kahle man. Ho. We are We are here to deliver a petition. Simple. We are here to deliver a petition. Tell them, don't leave I think you on you the manje. Yes, exactly. We are here as public sector unions delivering the petition. The petition the petition Free, it's a paper. There's no weapon. There's nothing military here. It's a simple paper. But the boys are all over this place here. Now, yes, I'll put the petition lab. How put the petition lab? How put the petition lab? Yes, yeah, go and read the petition. No, don't make angry. Go and read the petition lab. I get to get the petition, my boys. Never in the public service. I get to get the petition. I'm not petition, my boys. Boy, yes, come and read the petition here. Yeah, I'm so young in the law, man. A paper, a piece of paper. Come and read the petition here, public service. No. My man, I was to Bulana, my boys. It's not for the petition. Nine. It is a simple petition. Yeah, what keep us bomb low? What keep us bomb low? What keep us bomb? Now what keep us No. Ngora wabafuna usakala ngowe. Waki basbam. Yes, no bad. The petition last I deliver today. Go and read the petition no bad apart. Mabe good is fine. Do it. Go ahead and do it. Yes. My honorable officer, I'm firing a 100 meters away. Public order X. Go push me. One foot, Luma go put a magana. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm shooting a magana. I'm shooting a magana. We're foot. Hey, I was asking me about Minang foot. How should I mangle from post up platform? Now, Maganang is really nuts. Now, Maganang. You would do. Oh, it's fine, but I'm food in the arm. No, I'm this palm. I'm food depending on. Who? Lona was. Go ahead and arrest me. Go ahead and arrest me. Now, Maganang, stand open now. No. Who's talking about? No one foot. You mug, you got it. Yes, she going to the petition. Shine and to pull on, babe. No, it's fine. Go ahead. Nini is portal and ask it in Zilla. The public service. If we policy president, I'm not with policy president. I'm going to go a minute. The public service. I'm going to pass report minute. More people are more people not them not. Oh no. I Deputy Station Commander. Open your remark. Open your. Mrs. Velis, public service was at a matter inside to deliver a petition. A simple piece of paper, without any noise. amaphoyisa afika disturb the whole procession. That was peaceful. And the DSG had already started reading the petition. And the phoyisa lelizivela bafuni sifunze le petition. Yema, ngicela ungibophe manje yema. Ngicela ungibophe. No, mnati. Ngibophe. Usengibophe lo manje lona phela ngendeni? Usingenteni? Ngicela ngibophe mina. Usengibophe, yes, angibophe phela. Go ahead and do it. Yimudoda. Ushito lo master ngibophe nangu. Lo ngibophe lo. So go ahead, yama uscore wena manje wena. Yema, uscore phela wena ngibophe phela.
Mina ke mfana wami ubolalela nawe.
Use ngibophe lo manje akangibophe nyalo mina phela yini. Ngizangibophe nyalo manje.
Mina
Angibophe nyalo yema. Yewena manje wena ngibophe nyalo. Go ahead and arrest me. Asho singili cala ngentini. Usho ngibophe lo manje lona mosike.
wangidosa.
Ngimyekele. Ngiyabonga. Ngisekuse manje angithethise ngibopha mina.
Desicela nawe lo.
Anginezaba ngibosha mina akangibophe lo manje lo. Yes man, ho. Ngiyengizuza umfathi mina sihlangita ngibopha. Awusuka. Don't deliver petition. Nale paper obisala lo bhala. Obisala nale paper nale. A simple paper nale. Libhaliwe petition delivered to the Prime Minister.